Greetings folks, welcome back to the channel. We're here in Prague Zoo and we're just looking at some absolutely beautiful birds like the woolly neck here. Just go down to them.
Don't stand too close, he will pop you.
These are an absolute beautiful bird. And you get their name because of, as you can see there, the woolly neck. Over here we've got the milky stork. Got a load of different types of birds. We've also got a couple of ibises. The black-headed ibis, they're around somewhere. And oh look, there's a heron. Not the typical type of heron that you'll see, but and there's a spoonbill as well. There's actually a spoonbill down there as well. And there's the spotted pelican. It's only a young one. There's some more spoonbills down there. It's like 23 degrees here today, so it's actually very, very warm. But it's a beautiful little enclosure massive enclosure for the birds, and in the back end you can see a couple of normal herons. There's about 20 or 30 different species of birds here. There's a heron flying. And there's the black-headed ibises. 2, 3, 4 of them there. And a load of pelicans in the background there. Spoonbills are a beautiful bird. Not that I'd ever want to pick a favourite, but my favourite would have to be the woolly neck. I think they're absolutely beautiful.
Just going to go up and I'm going to show you the Asian woolly neck. They've actually got an African counterpart, but they do look similar. But as you can see in the photograph, they are actually, you can see the differences. This is the first time in ever seeing these beautiful birds up close and personal, with no bars in between us, and I really wish to walk in the world. Their African counterpart is of least concern and can be found through Africa. With these guys, habitat is actually fragmented, but they can be found in Asia and Indochina. I think one thing I love most about these beautiful birds is the iridescent glow of their feathers.
Unfortunately, these beautiful birds are actually endangered with habitat encroachment, fragmentation, and they're also hunted. So, which makes these magnificent creatures with the beautiful brown eyes, well actually red eyes. Yeah, sorry, it was just the way the light was catching. Red eyes, that they're actually endangered. Let's follow him, see what he's up to.
A beautiful milky stork drying his wings. This is one of the biggest zoos that I've ever been to. It's so amazing and actually cheap entrance. Whereby other zoos that we went to cost 20 or 40 euro. You know, something similar in dollars and a little cheaper in pounds. But the zoo is actually only 13 euro in, which is truly good value considering that we were here for 2 days. So it actually only cost us 56 euro for the 2 days, which is really, really good value for the both of us. As far as I know, this is a young pelican, by the colour of its feathers, by the shape of its wings, and by its beak. If I'm wrong, If it is not a young pelican, if it's something else, please let me know down in the comments. I'd love to know if I'm actually right or wrong. These birds are the black-crowned night herons. I was filming this between my phone and a camera, but I was lucky enough to get film-bills on the internet with their chicks. It was so lovely to see these birds nurturing their little chick. Film-bills are actually called the Eurasian film-bill, and thankfully they're actually of least concern, like another species of the, which would be the Rosetta film-bill, which will be covered in another video. So let me know if you want to see a video on the Rosetta film-bill. If you're enjoying this video, sub to the channel, it'd be fantastic. Take outside one of the most beautiful birds that I've lost, purple heron. Its colours are amazing and so different from the break buttons, but they can be found in Africa, Central and Southern Europe, and Southern and Eastern Asia. It's similar in appearance to the more common great heron, but slightly smaller. Thank you so much for watching the video. These are excellent folks. Stay safe. Bye for now. Bye bye.